Hey everyone, are you guys bored of being home? No school, no college, no office, everything is being managed from home by everyone. But isn't it being so boring? Everything is being done from home, we don't move much out, although everything is open now, but still we are a bit scared to go out and we still are looking for like some change or something, right? So, why don't we start learning something new, like that would boost our career also, and that would be interesting also. Why don't we start learning a language, preferably foreign language? Foreign languages are blooming these days, right? So I'm here, Anshika Gupta, to teach you German language. As you know, languages are booming these days. You can get a job also, or as a part-time also, you can choose it as a career. In schools also, even it's mandatory. So let's start learning with the language. We will start with the very basics of the same. Greetings in German language. Okay. So now let's start with the very basics of how do you greet someone when you meet someone. Like in English, how do you say? Early morning when you get up and you are all like a bit dreamy, gloomy, and how do you say to someone? How do you greet? Hey, good morning. Good morning is known as in German language Guten Morgen. Good morning is known as Guten Morgen. Okay. And then when it's before noon time, preferably you can say around 11 to 12 p.m. Okay, 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. That is the time before noon. At that time, how do you greet someone? That we greet in German as Guten Vormittag. Here, Guten stands for good and Vormittag stands for before noon. So here we call Guten Vormittag. Okay, and after that when we say good afternoon in English, say hey, good afternoon. So that we call in German language as Guten Nachmittag. Here Guten stands for good and Nachmittag stands for afternoon. Nach is after, Mittag is noon. Okay, so it's Guten Nachmittag. So now when it's afternoon time, you have had your meals, everything. Now it's a turning evening. It's time for you to move out of your office or your workplace or anywhere. So at that time, how do you greet someone? You come across someone or somebody. So how do you say someone? Hey, good evening. Good evening we call in German language as Guten Abend. Okay. Good evening is known as Guten Abend in German. Okay, and now when we have learned this much, so now when we have finished all our work, now we are at our home. After that we are all ready to sleep. So how do you greet your loved ones? How do we say them? We say good night, sweet dreams, take care. So that, how do we call that in German language? We say good night as Gute Nacht. Good night is known as Gute Nacht. Okay, and after that we say sweet dreams. Sweet dreams is known as Süße Trauma. Sweet dreams, it's known as Süße Trauma. Okay, and thereafter we say take care. Take care is known as Mach's gut. Take care, it's known as Mach's gut in German language. Okay. You can learn these you can just start speaking along with me and you can just note down all the words I'm giving over here, pronunciation and all. You can properly just get to my video again and again and you will learn the same. It's not that difficult, but it's quite good. Like it's quite interesting when you start learning this kind of language. Okay. But now we have learned the very basics of the German language. How do we greet someone? But what about when you're meeting your friends? When you meet your friends, you do not say them, hey, good morning. Generally, what you say them, hi, hello, what's up? So that is what we need to learn for friends also. This is about a formal, how do we greet informal. But in friends also, how do we say them anything? So let's start with the same. We will just get on with the how do we say hi, hello, what's up in German language to your friends. Okay. Now let's start with how do we say hi, hello, what's up and all to your friends in German language. Okay, when you see your friend, you say hey, hi, what's up. So that we say in German language. Hi or hello is known as hallo in German language. It's simply hallo. That works for hi also, hello also. It's simply hallo in German language. And thereafter you say how are you. How are you is known as wie geht's. It's simply wie geht's. Wie stands for how and geht's stands for are you. So how are you is wie geht's in German language. Okay. And if someone is asking you wie geht's, like how are you, so at that time how you will reply? You can say them, ich geht mir gut, means I am good. So that is known as ich geht mir gut. That is ich, I am good. Geht mir gut. Okay, that is known as in German language. Here gut stands for good. Okay, and when you have had a lot of talk with your friend, you have had a lot of fun, now it's time for you to like say bye bye, I'll see you again and all. So how do you say that in German language? Here see you again we say in German as auf Wiedersehen. Okay, auf here is suffix that is needed to be used in German language, and Wiedersehen is see you again. Here wieder stands for again and see you is sehen. Okay, sehen is see you and wieder is again. So it's auf Wiedersehen in German language. Okay, or when you are saying see you later, you're not saying see you again, you want to say see you later. See you later is simply bis später. Bis später in German language. Here bis stands for bis später is see you later. Okay, and thereafter or you say like bye bye, saying take care, bye bye. So that is bye is simply known as tschüss. Bye that we call in German language as tschüss. Tschüss is a like very small and cute kind of word that we use in German language. So we simply say tschüss. Okay, or like. So guys, I guess this much is enough for the day, and please do learn all these and try to pronounce it. It's very easy and very interesting. Learning a language is quite interesting for everyone. So let's start with the very basics. I've started, and if you have any issues, like you're facing any problem in pronunciation or anything, you can drop me a mail or you can just comment below. And please do like, share and subscribe my video if you liked and you're eagerly waiting for my next video. Thank you. Bye bye. See you again.